Want to make your speech or debate more powerful and memorable? Try using the rule of three. The rule of three is a classic speaking technique where you group ideas in sets of three. Why? Because our brains naturally find patterns of three more satisfying and easier to remember. So instead of saying, "I love summer because it's fun and relaxing," take it up a notch. "I love summer because it's fun, relaxing, and full of adventure." That third idea adds rhythm and impact. This works especially well in debates. Let's say you're arguing for school uniforms. You could say, "School uniforms promote equality, reduce bullying, and save time in the morning." It's concise, persuasive, and feels more complete. Even professional speakers and politicians use the rule of three all the time. Think life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. You can apply this technique to your opening statement, your body points, or even to your closing. Just remember, 3 strong ideas are better than a long list that your audience might forget. Try using the rule of 3 in your next speech or debate. It's simple, effective, and it sticks. Follow us for more tips and check out our virtual speech and debate classes where we build confidence and communication skills.